Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up AdSense for YouTube creators 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Sign in to YouTube Studio. The first step for how to create an AdSense account for YouTube and link it to your channel is to sign in to YouTube Studio. It's important to start the process of opening an AdSense account through YouTube Studio because Google does not allow duplicate AdSense accounts to exist. You can only have one AdSense account under the same payee name per AdSense's terms and conditions. Open the Monetization tab. The next step for how to make AdSense account for YouTube is to open the Monetization tab that's located in the left-hand sidebar menu and see if your channel is eligible. On the monetization page, you'll immediately know if you can set up your AdSense account yet. If you're eligible to do so, then you'll see an Apply Now button for the YouTube Partner Program. If not, you'll see the button for Notify Me when eligible that will send you an email when your channel has met the requirements. Open AdSense account on YouTube eligibility screen. To be eligible to monetize videos, you must join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires your channel to meet these requirements: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 2-step verification turned on, 0 active community guideline strikes. Start creating an AdSense account for YouTube. During the application process for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be able to make an AdSense account. Click on the Start button that's located on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card to begin the creation process. You'll have to enter your YouTube account password to re-authenticate your credentials, which is a feature put into place to protect your account. So follow the prompts to complete this verification step. Next, you need to choose the Google account you want to use for AdSense and then log in with those credentials. This account will be the administrator. However, you can add additional users to your YouTube AdSense account at a later point if you like. Verify your email address. At this stage of the process, you should now be inside the Google AdSense dashboard. But before you do anything else, the next important step for how to open an AdSense account for YouTube is to confirm the email address you're logged in with is the correct one at the top of the page. If it's the right email address, then you're good to move on to the next step of this tutorial. If not, then you need to click on the link that says Use a different account to switch to the correct Google account to manage your YouTube channel with AdSense. Set up the AdSense for YouTube. After confirming you're logged in with the correct Google account, you can now continue setting up your AdSense account for YouTube. Here you just need to provide your contact information for the Google AdSense application. Download the SEO keyword research cheat sheet. Submit the AdSense application. The next step is to click the Submit button to send your AdSense application to Google for verification. In YouTube Studio, you'll see a message under the Monetization tab in the Sign Up for Google AdSense card that says In Progress. Wait for approval. Now you just need to wait for Google to approve your YouTube AdSense account. Once it's approved, you'll get an email and see the word Done under the Sign Up for Google AdSense card on YouTube to confirm that you have successfully linked your AdSense account to YouTube. Complete your AdSense account information. The last step for how to create an AdSense account on YouTube is to complete your account information on AdSense. Otherwise, you will not get paid for the money you earn from ads displayed on your videos. To finalize your AdSense account, you need to provide the following information: tax information, personal identity details and address, payment threshold for getting paid, form of payment such as check, electronic funds transfer, or wire transfer. After everything is set up, you'll be able to access your YouTube earning data on a dedicated page in your AdSense account from the left-hand sidebar menu. Thanks for watching.